Basahin po natin ang ating teksto. Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 to 7. Do not be anxious for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication, let your requests be made known unto God. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and mind in Christ Jesus. Diyos po ang papala na kanyang buhay at makapangyarihang salita. Take note, a praying couple is a powerful couple. Ang mag-asawang nananalangin ay isang mag-asawang puno ng kapangyarihan. When couples pray together, they are inviting the divine presence, protection, and provision of God in their relationship. When they pray, they are unlocking the heavens' help. Kapag sabay na lumuhod at nanalangin ang mag-asawa, ay binubuksan nila ang pinto ng kapangyarihan ng kalangitan upang rumagasa at dumaloy sa kanilang buhay at sa kanilang relasyon. Tama? O may tama?